Hi. As we all know, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, streamlining operations, and empowering decision makings like never before. However, these technological revolutions bring with it profound ethical, legal, and social responsibilities. To ensure AI is developed and deployed responsibly, global regulations like EU AI Act and GDPR are stepping in to shape the landscape. So let's discuss about EU Act first. The EU Artificial Intelligence Act is a landmark legislative proposal which came to force on August 1, 2024 by European Union aimed at regulating artificial intelligence system to ensure safety, transparency, fairness and accountability. Risk AI systems such as biometric identification tools and medical diagnostic must undergo rigorous testing for accuracy, transparency and bias mitigation. Failure to comply can result in fines of up to 6% of global annual turnover. Now let's move to GDPR. GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation. It enforced on May 25, 2018, focusing on how personal data is collected, processed and stored. For AI system, GDPR emphasizes data minimization, process limitation, then is transparency and right of individuals. So further non-compliance with GDPR can result in penalties of up to $20 million or up to 4% of annual turnover. Regulations like EU AI Act and GDPR, they establish trust with customers, enhance transparency and promote innovations with ethical boundaries. A study also states that organizations compliant with AI and data regulations report more than 30% higher customer satisfaction. So together we can harness the power of AI responsibly, building a future where innovation thrives hand in hand with trust, transparency and ethics.